Now, a couple of different things that I like to do inside of here. So I want to rename this, and I'll call this maybe my contacts. If you hit enter whenever you change the name here, then it will update over here, and this will just be helpful later on as well. Now, in here, I can do multiple different things. I can have the opportunity, let's say I want both my first name and my last name to be in a format where they are all capitalized, right? So I can say uppercase. And you can see automatically that I've changed everything to an uppercase, and I didn't necessarily need to do a formula for that. You see here that you can also lowercase it, you can capitalize it on each word, you can also easily trim it or clean it. You can also add a column and use a function. Update this column to also include a space here. See that we have everything like this. Now I can come. Now if I go ahead and hit close and load, what we'll see here is we'll see this different color kind of indicating to us that this is the data that we have from our Power Query. We have another set of data, and that's going to be the account information that's related to these contacts. So if I want to merge those two together, we can still do that in our query. So I'm going to come back over here where it says query. I'll come over here to new source, here to file, and I'll hit Excel workbook. And now I am importing a new table here, right? It's going to pull up the table that's on my thing. So I'll hit OK. That here. We also have all of our fields are already in a text format. So now that we have our account table, what we want to do is we want to match our contacts up with this name. So if I come up here to my contacts and I come over here to merge queries and I say merge query is new. Now this is already saying that this is the table that I have. I'm going to add my other table, which was my accounts. And I come over here to our company, because that's what we're looking at here. We want to match the company from the contacts table to the name on the account table. And right now it says that it's able to match all 1,500 records, which is great. We've got a nice match here. And then here you see on join kind, right now I'm saying give me everything from the first list and then whatever matches from the second list here. Go ahead and hit OK. And now here you say that this is going to be called merge one, and I'm just going to say contacts customers, just so I have something that I can easily identify things by later. Now we see here, right, this is going to be the list of our contacts. And then over here, we see this says accounts, and then this says table. This means that I can expand the fields over here. I'll hit this button here. Now I could select all of them, but for right now, let's say I just want to match the account number and name. So I'll go ahead and hit OK. You can see here, right, is now we have two additional columns over here. One is going to be accounts name and then accounts.account number. So this is exactly why I like to rename my tables, because now I know where this data came from. And I can also say that there is a hard